Hi, my name's Vicky Johnson and my business is Fusion Laser Cutting. I'm a small format laser cutting specialist offering a range of design and manufacturing services. I work with a range of different materials from wood to acrylic to cork. I also do laser cutting as well as engraving, so I can engrave images onto wood, for example. I also do designs that I can then engrave onto like slates, and I also work with businesses and individuals as well. I've attended various workshops with the BIPC on social media, marketing and the business model canvas, which has helped move my business forward. I received excellent one-to-one support from the BIPC when I was developing products and also helping to expand my product range. I think the expansion of the BIPC into the local areas such as Beverley and Bridlington is excellent. It will provide really valuable resources, free resources as well, to the local area which wouldn't otherwise go to the Hull Central Library. It will provide much more resources to the wider audience. Working with other businesses in the East Riding, I love working with the different customers that I get, and I get such positive feedback. My proudest moment has been winning an Inspiring Business Award. I think it shows that people really value your work, and I'm actually good at what I do as well. I now work with the BIPC to deliver workshops to do with social media, website design and marketing in general. It's really great to give back to the BIPC and the local businesses and the local area as well. My best piece of business advice would be to say yes to the opportunities that you get. You never know where they're going to lead you. My plans for the future are to branch out with my laser cutting business. I had an online shop a few years ago which I tested the market with a range of products. I am now developing a new range of products which are house signs and business signage with a bit of a different contemporary edge. So that is my focus for the future.